natural health for beginners.
This video dives into the powerful combination of natural ingredients, rosemary, cloves, and glycerin, for hair care. Learn how to craft a DIY solution that promotes faster hair growth, enhances thickness, and combats dryness for healthier, luscious locks. Benefits of rosemary: stimulates hair follicles to boost growth, improves scalp circulation for stronger hair roots, contains antioxidants that reduce scalp irritation. Power of cloves: rich in vitamins and minerals to strengthen hair. Antibacterial properties help maintain a clean scalp. Adds a natural shine and thickness. Role of glycerin: locks in moisture to prevent dryness and brittleness. Soothes the scalp and reduces flakiness. Acts as a humectant, drawing hydration from the air. How to prepare the mixture. Ingredients: 1 cup of rosemary leaves, fresh or dried. 1 tablespoon of cloves. 2 tablespoons of glycerin. 2 cups of water. Instructions: boil rosemary leaves and cloves in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Let the mixture cool and strain out the solids. Mix the glycerin into the strained liquid. Transfer the solution to a spray bottle for easy application. Usage tips: spray onto the scalp and hair roots. Massage gently for 5 minutes to enhance absorption. Use 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Transform your hair care routine with this natural, effective remedy. Rosemary, cloves, and glycerin are your new go-to ingredients for achieving thicker, faster growing, and healthier hair. Try it today and share your results. Don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and share your experience in the comments below.